Welcome to Vinny Blinds. You are #1 for professional blinds and window coverings. With over 20 years experience, we're confident to be the only blinds company you'll ever need. You need your blinds fixed, we'll fix your blinds quick. Certified blindsmen do this all the time, and we install blind shade shutters and custom drinks. We'll take your blind shade shutters and hang them straight. You need your blinds fixed, we'll fix your blinds quick. Certified blindsmen do this all the time, and we install blind shade shutters and custom drinks. We'll take your blind shade shutters and hang them straight. Can't get your blinds open, no, you try so many times. Yep. Expecting company over, just call Vinny Blinds. Okay. You have the type of shade that won't go up from broken strings. Yep. Well, you're in luck, cause we can get it up the same day. Okay. Call 1-877, okay, 703, okay, 3180, get your estimate free. That's 1-877, okay, 703, okay, 3180, get your estimate free. You need your blinds fixed, we'll fix your blinds quick. Certified blindsmen do this all the time, and we install blind shade shutters and custom drinks. We'll take your blind shade shutters and hang them straight. You need your blinds fixed, we'll fix your blinds quick. Certified blindsmen do this all the time, and we install blind shade shutters and custom drinks. We'll take your blind shade shutters and hang them straight.